Hi, I'm Arun Chaudhary and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Brains Learning with Arun Chaudhary. So my friend, as I told you that we are going to start a tech series and we are going to conduct the interview of the experts, and also we are going to invite many experts which belong to the different background. They want to start their business or they want to move to the Azure, they want to start their career with Azure. So in our first series of this one, I'm going to invite Mr. Abhinav. Mr. Abhinav is planning to start his e-commerce business, and I'm going to understand his requirement and I'm going to suggest him how Microsoft Azure can help this. So, Mr. Abhinav.
Hi, Arun.
Hi. How are you, sir?
Fine. Thanks for inviting me. So, I am planning to start my business. So, basically, this is the e-commerce.
Okay.
So, I want to know how Azure help me.
Okay, good question. So when we are talking about the e-commerce, Microsoft already have hosted multiple e-commerce business, or you can say the e-commerce companies are already hosted on Microsoft Azure Cloud. Azure is going to help you in every manner. In case of your applications, database management, and other security part also, and mailing system, Microsoft is going to help you. So I will be request you, whatever the queries you have in your mind, you can ask and I'll try to answer you.
Basically, I want to start it with my website. So, how Microsoft helped me in creating my website?
So, Mr. Vinay, I want to tell you, Microsoft Azure support a wide range of the different programming languages. You can develop your web application in any of the platform. It can be C, it can be Java, it can be Python or any other programming language. And also Microsoft offer you different hosting plan. You can host your web application on the Linux based platform or Windows based platform. So Microsoft provide you a wide range of the, you can say that variety to develop your web application and deploy in Microsoft Azure with very reasonable price, high scalability, availability, and security also offered by Microsoft.
See, okay, if my website is created, it's on board. Then if the user is coming to the website, how can it be managed?
Okay, great. So you want to understand that your users are going to visit your website and you want to get the notifications also that users are coming to, you want to send the auto reply or the welcome messages to your customer. So for that one, Microsoft use different kind of the components or services. You can say we have serverless computing. Using that one, you can send a notification to your user. You can even create a complete flow. Take an example. A customer visit to your website, as you told me earlier, your company is dealing in the, you can say the promo code, okay, or maybe in any other category. So when a customer is going to visit your website, whenever a customer will be visit, we have a function app which will be run a HTTP trigger, and the other side, your team, the support team who is sitting there, they'll be get a notification. When customer is going to be fill any information, his information to get that promo code. So automation will be help you in this scenario. Customer will be automatically get a welcome email, and all the details related to that product, we can configure a automated email system which will be delivered to the customer mailbox. Microsoft offer you for mailing system, you can integrate Microsoft Office 365, which is very good tool and give you the email solutions over there. You can also define the security settings. You can also protect your web application from any external attack also. Or in case you are running an e-commerce company, so customer data is very valuable for you. You want to prevent that information cannot be leaked outside. So Microsoft offer you AIP, information protection, so you can protect all these things. And you can have all the user information. Microsoft offer you a wide range of the database. You can use Microsoft SQL database. You can use any other database provider which we call Azure Cosmos database. So database will be secure there, and Microsoft always encrypt entire database. The data is encrypted with AES Advanced Encryption Standard 256-bit key encryption, and the data is completely secure in Microsoft environment.
Okay. So it's the total user base data. Okay. So if I want that the user is coming to website and filling any inquiry form, then can I get that data from that site?
Yes. So for this one, you can use Microsoft offer you the complete Dynamics environment. So you can use Microsoft Azure Dynamics, or Microsoft offers some other tool also for that one.
Okay. And how can we it is managed in the email marketing and the promotions?
Okay, so Microsoft offer you for this one. Microsoft, because this is the part of your development coding part. Okay, so for that one you can integrate different campaigns you can add with your web applications, and you can integrate and you can send bulk emails and bulk messages. So all that things you can also use in Microsoft Azure environment.
So you mean to say that these promotions and database and all securities, website securities can be managed onto one place?
Yes, on a single click.
On a
single click you can manage everything. Your developers, even Microsoft given you DevOps environment. You can develop your code, you can do the testing, and you can do the staging, and then you can move to the production. So multiple staging slot also available there. To before you live your website, so you can anything you are going to upload, so you can test how the user experience. Even let's take an example, you have an e-commerce company, your customers are coming from the global, entire globe. Might be they are coming from the US, might be they are coming from India, might be they are coming from Middle East. So for that one also Microsoft support a wide range of the high availability option, which we call traffic manager. DNS based routing, let's suppose you can define geo based routing. I want, if customers are coming from India, so I want the request route to the India servers or India locations. Why? User will get low latency. The latency is important in your case. So Microsoft offer you traffic manager for geo based routing. So all these things Microsoft offer you. And a good thing about the Azure, you can go with the auto scaling. In case, take an example, your company currently having 1,000 users, okay, and you are getting 1,000 user data over there or request over there, and suddenly you start a great promotion and you want to give a great discount on the products, and customers are coming, let's suppose 1 million customer come. So whatever the current infrastructure you have taken from the Azure might be not sufficient to fulfill all these requests. So what you can do, you can use auto scaling, on demand scaling. We can configure a scaling route and a threshold. Let's suppose CPU utilization reaches to this point. So automatically instances will be created in the backend and your web application will be get scaled. So all these things also Microsoft is going to help you.
Okay. And my next question is that if I'm handling on the globally. Okay. So in that case, if our customer is calling to me for the leads, then how can it be managed?
For this one, you can use complete CRM. Microsoft offers the complete CRM range. You can manage your calls and everything, your customers and everything. You can manage over there.
Okay. So now we come at the another part, that is the accounting part.
Okay.
How can it be managed?
Microsoft offer you different accounting tool also, which you could use. Microsoft offer you 100+ services for different perspective. For the web application part also, Microsoft offer you a wide range of the services. So you can use that services and everything you can get in a single click. I hope this will be fulfill your requirement. So thank you, Abhinav, and nice to meet you. And guys, thank you. Hope you will be like this session. So if you like this session, please like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. We'll be meet you next with a new series of tech interview. Thank you. Thank you for watching.